Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to limit of connected device on your hotspot. For this settings, you have to open settings on your device. Then you have to click connections and click to mobile hotspot and tethering. Then turn on hotspot and scroll down. And here you can see configure option. Click to configure option, then click to advanced. After clicking advanced, you can see here broadcast channel. Click to broadcast channel. After clicking broadcast channel, you can select how many mobile has been connected you want. Then select 3 mobile. If you select 3, only 3 mobile can connect on your hotspot. If you select 1, only 1 mobile can connect on your hotspot. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.